Hi everyone, and welcome to Stoneware. Stoneware is an application that we hope will make your life a little easier. How many times have you gone to a website that prompts you for your user ID and password and you just can't remember it? These days, with everything being web-based, there are so many different user IDs and passwords that we have to remember that this becomes nearly an impossible task. Stoneware is here to help you with that task. So Stoneware is what we call a single sign-on application. You sign in once, it remembers the user ID and passwords for most of the applications you might try to use later. To get to Stoneware, you go to this website, type again, and it'll bring up this screen. As I said, Stoneware single sign-on is the main function of Stoneware, but in addition, it allows you to reset or change your network password. I don't know how many times you went across where you've either forgotten your password or you've attempted it too many times and you get locked out of the system. With Stoneware, you'll be able to reset your password or even change your password if you like. What I'd like to do next is just show you real quick how Stoneware works. I'm going to log into my account. Just give you a real quick demo on Stoneware. There's a lot to learn, but I'll take you through it step by step. First thing I have to do is, of course, type in my password correctly. Once logged into Stoneware, your screen may look different. Later on, we'll talk about how you can change the backdrop in the back and have a different picture and all that. Now, one of the things about Stoneware, when you log in for the first time, your browser may prompt you to say, do you want to save the password to Stoneware? Do not save the password to Stoneware. The reason for that is that if you do that and anybody sits down on your computer and they go to Stoneware, then they'll be able to get to any application that you might have access to. So this is the one situation where you want to say, no, please do not save the password for Stoneware on this system. Once you do that, and we'll talk about more about this in later tutorials, but the icons for different applications that you might want to go to show up. And how Stoneware works very quickly is you simply click on one of the applications, and I'm just going to pick one here. I'm going to click Board Docs, and it will take and sign me into the Board Docs system. Notice it typed my user ID and password, and I'm in. And that's how Stoneware works. In later tutorials, we'll show you how you get Stoneware set up to do the kind of things that you need it to do.